Dark mode is a new concept that makes basically all the UI darker. This can help reduce the strain on your eyes and even the battery life on phones with AMOLED displays. So how do we enable dark mode on the S10? It's very easy. You go down to the settings, go into display. From here you will enable night mode, and as you'll see, everything will turn dark. So you can see the top settings and everything is dark. Some apps might not be dark because they're not optimized for it, but at least more of the UI is dark now, and it's very cool and everything, and that's how you do it. So see you in the next video.